This is the mother and son combo. I have put the initials on the hats. That's John Luke, Jolene van Onselen, and this is the packaging stuff. As I've explained, I use these transparent plastics to package. There's the mother's t-shirt. I made like a sunset at the back, kind of metaphorical. And I did the same with the sun. Here is the front and there is the back. Can't wait for them to twinings. Have you seen my combo? Hush Karamine. Hush Karamine. Karen Kai package. Guys, buy, please support. Here we go. We're putting in the roots. This was also something else that I've created out of the box. I wanted to create like a galaxy planet type vibes. And it came out beautifully. I'm happy. I'm packaging John Luke stuff in there. The sun stuff. Here we go. We are folding. I really enjoy doing this really. Tie-dyeing is like very relaxing for me, very therapeutic. Thank you to all my clients that support this business. I'm looking forward to more orders and more business ventures with people. I also collaborate. I can't wait for them to shoot and snap so I can upload the results for you guys. John Luke's one is packaged. There you go. Signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. We thank God for the grace upon my business. Thank God. We thank God. My ancestors are clearly working overtime to make sure this is a success. Here we go. We're packaging mummies. This t-shirt is in 2XL for the mom. And the son is 5 to 6 years. There's my dog's tail in the background. Lucy Lucy. Always watching. Always some in the background. You can't see my other bigger dog, the male Biggie, but he's there. Let's go, people. Let's go. Super excited. There we go. Mommy's t-shirt. And there she goes. She goes in the plastic. In you go. In you go. In she goes. Last but not least, we put in the cap. Tango.